Asa Eddie Afa sa game no and you be sense at say the ono so Eddie Amaini.
Well, positive mentality because we need to win this game seriously. We have to take this game seriously, both technical and then the players themselves. Positive attitude and win at all costs.
Okay, coach na yebisa say league no ni diemu no yenim say mediama atake the lead enti muja mediama na anase korokoso na mo aise mobede Ghana Premier League no.
You have to make your intention known and then you work towards that, and that is what we are working towards, and I still hold it because it's not too late. As I said, it's a marathon race. Some can start well and then there will be a time when the gap is reached a certain stage. Then you can give up. But this, I don't give up till it ends. So we are still fighting for it. And football is about moment. There will be a moment when the white will be shining on you, and there will be a moment when the black is shining on you. So you should not give up. Just like the normal life, when things don't go well, you don't have to sit down and cry. You have to fight hard and then come back to achieve your target.
You have to fight well and come back. I know I had the Karim Sito at the MI. So far, Ghana Premier League and I Matisa, Ebaswa, Yedi, and Hong Kong, and so at the Edan way, and AFCON, Yabo Area, and Edisiadia, Yasia Efim, Arches, Ebebwa, African continent, and a calf organized competitions outdoor, and Hong Kong, and Yababedi, aside that, and also no. Kwanya Moko 4 fast to AFCON and the Ghana mine yasu efima evisa since 2008 year e wosu ya head up mo bra bia mu se yenso ye betimi amom de aba na ya hosia na etime kama eno nkomo ana edru so a ye ba bedi san komo won so kan obi ntitawa so edubre pam a ye bia homa de ama na won so wadwen kire wetimi edi aba 11:20 ana edi aba bedro Insha FM esunie Kofi Maraska we na bre na Ayala minim between the Ghana Premier League ne AFCON no ya gba wie niema ya gada bebo African football na mana kwa enim no the na we dey chance ya dia mama na yanko enim
mami me bosso me hwe AFCON no enyoma kakra bia me so me free mu as adisiadia na say be di Ghana football nkoma na me gidi say ye kama omo wo Ghana football mu ecosystem no etia and as stakeholders netia ebia no so atimi afedi na yenso so aboaye football no in general dedika kabi se oman bia betumpon e football mu ade ba ko a eye very very necessary say oman no ebe committee investment into infrastructure sebi ball no ye ball baby training no ye o baby player pra ye hye no baby nti bibia for football won bia no you need to provide a certain infrastructure to take care of the events. Football events and yeah. And the event must be done at a certain place. Into baby quite be event no. I also ultimately what the right investment to prepare for the event center. And some point it may be event no.
Yeah.
Into we need to invest in infrastructure. That is your first lesson is your free AFCON. Morocco to me hosted beautifully because of infrastructure. Show more level of accommodation with the teams, no.
Yeah.
Hotels are papa with them. The road networks, a walk
and then quite the yanka. Say now no manager for Abuaje. Na me yibi at the chamsa Abuaje de me di chono ubetima search for bina where the amaye was screens no so in fact say oh here na de pa even o train station transportations ne o transport system wo mo wana
you call Qatar for the World Cup say o mo host World Cup ni na odo up And that was the first time ABC was in history of the World Cup. See, it was the World Cup in one city. ABC that. You want to say, yeah, it was the World Cup in say Germany.
Yeah.
You baby will do Düsseldorf.
Yeah.
You baby will Stuttgart. You baby. But this is the first time World Cup was played in just one city, Doha. Gabi, say, Ode Mamima was example of Ghana. They are Ghana able match. For instance, Ghana against Portugal. You set off from your villa. Namu nyina mu kobomu. Mutua street baku mienu mu. Then you see stewards on the street. Our more direct say, oh, some of Ghana for moko hebo ebia education city. Okay, some moko education city dia. Mumfa left.
Okay.
And you don't know the camera direction. Oh, go left, go left. Both say yeah.
Okay.
Oh, kwa. No wako ko share steward biem. Ebi okomu kuta side officer megaphone. No mu TM education city. Go right, go right. Nti enipa na eye signboard.
Okay.
And they are directing you. Unim baby omo direct you to. They are directing you to omo metro. Baby omo for train. Nti uduru baby also wura underground hona.
We dem ntwa no aboaja ye adom wa ma ye bi Morocco die ni bi wo screen no so. Nti mo amhwe o YouTube no mbehu ni ye.
Nti omo do acronym no. All their train stations are underground.
Okay.
But who crane wa unnam kronu surface na. You don't see so sun form. And you most udu metro down. What do down one? Then they are directing you says I have specific na oka. I have train also okofa.
Okay.
Ofa. So we distance na train road travel na. Ka you say ka otina kema. E bet me do be 2 hours. But what's not anymore? Oh, you less than 20 minutes will draw.
Am I simple?
Udru one so. When you see free training and meet me on my video, I still have those videos on my phone. Yeah, ne Portugal for good train. Ne ye see German musu yo mu de. Ne ye huri ahun ye chop pictures ne ade. Right from inside train station to Uber rat training to Messina. Mo use underground. Also must have froba a crown surface. More froba nyina. You see people they want to take pictures with you. More surface one. Would be a they are still be 20, 30. No more chiramo or show take it now. On Bessa one way be or so go far right.
Because a
gate, yes, yeah, gate air for a on the wall. Look, top level organization. Road system count.
Okay.
Baby, I'm any pana bakun better. More accommodation facilities account. The infrastructure you see a kind of woman. Any one mu training pictures ni adini na account. And the number 1 thing you learn a infrastructure. Number 2, myself boss on that.
Okay.
Number 2, Gabi. For me. Na enye fluke and enye coincidence so say you drew AFCON semi-finals. The 4 best teams at the AFCON had African coaches.
Okay.
Morocco had Omuankasa Wagagri. Senegal eventual winners had Paptel Omuanipa. Nigeria had Eric. Then Egypt had Hosanna Sam, who is their own former footballer. Look, I am not saying say if African country can invest in proper foreign culture, even in Ghana, if we think say we can invest in a proper top level foreign coach white, I don't have a problem. But the AFCON which say we can pick our own. Yenye ne mujidie. Yenye abotrema no. Yen support no. Na ometimi aye adwuma no. The evidence is clear. Paptiao. Me also saw the coaching credentials be 2 forms this year. And Ghana there's no way ebi maka say yemfa blasters adwuma no man.
Because o compare cry enye ni tipen ne didi drama ni ni ade cry. Yeah,
he was the coach of their Chan team. Then they gave him the job with the right support. Back him with proper technical team members. Backroom staff, proper one. Today he has won them. They have gone. And until I made the Biamaka say, yes, I'm sure for Gabi, and yet 10 beer. And the emotions of the masses are right in the decision.
But what need to be done?
Yes. And the Obagana, Asemi are making, minim Ghana for Yesubai. A lot of people who are listening to us, our mere masses, maybe against this point I am raising.
Yeah.
But the fact that their emotions actually say they are against it doesn't mean say if it is the right thing, there are also people who for the first time will listen to me and say, na makuma any margin eye me be foforo. But as someone like a chimney, me the quadrant dream, I think he is right. That is our job. Now, Rich, for sir, I didn't say a bit dim. Say you be encourage young coaches. Near support you, your mom will be here to get to the top. We also need to see Bibin Kitty those coaches. The number one, the team culture under them. Discipline. Share you call AFCON way. Gabi, where's Senegal team now? There were big players on the bench.
Yeah.
Papa Sambo Tottenham, no mobile. Na Diaramo. Osiakama Sunderland. He was playing. This boy, Lamine Camara, Obama Monaco, he was playing ahead of Papa Sarr. Against the Papa Sarr sound. He is one of the best performing African players in Europe. But what's the bench? What is Oboa? What is or can say, oh, me a big player that's near the Martina bench? No. Even at the time, Ujiri said in the Senegalese team, Gabi, Sena Omu encourage a Caribbean will be waiting. No, say, look, prepare when this is your time. Go and fight for the team. Can you say when Koulibaly, any suspension, when he got injured, because in the team, the subculture has always been said, no matter who, so you can say, oh, you can do and when you are called upon to come and fight for your country, when you say you friend say, oh, sir, where you so where are the penny? No. There were times or GD game, they almost substituted Riyad Mahrez.
No one to bench.
Yes. And Al-Nassr goes took Morocco to the semi-finals of the World Cup. But obey your boy you Kabi. Anymore, he was on the bench. Even in the first game, Al-Nassr you Kabi, they were on the bench for the opening game of the AFCON. And we need to build some certain discipline and subculture in our team. The focus is that when our form, at the end of the pro game, when a bit of the Accra, Penny, middle age, watch our team name, after Nwaba, ni debut, no matter who it is. So could not pack in so now over Kwame results now. That should be our focus.
But I wouldn't was about can you be baby says and now why I say and sure that's
the coaches. That is what I'm saying, say. The medical I'm making a
so
I was good. I was here supporting our own. But I'm supporting GDA to also show us. Say you have the greats at that top level to manage your national team now. Take bold decisions. For which in just first name but now okay kind of one. But you say he want to instill a certain culture here. Any team in him, they must do that. The last thing, your camp culture environment now. Sikasem camping rules. Where do you have to where do we distribute your teams now? And come on, you do come see a tournament. But it's be a to bomb be whether or evidence or need evidence. So you sit floor and gua and I'm no more.
Players in so Omabushi and the a honma or man from the bed from a gatum say, hey, yes, Massam now you
get it. I feel crying, you would you near their friend, Omoya Massam. Obi on and wife for very, very good relationship.
Yeah.
He has been very, very faithful to the wife. By him, Moody in it. None the wife in him said, you couldn't come home.
I say, man, of pressure.
It's not instability. These things you never hear at the Senegalese camp. You never hear at the Moroccan.
It is a yen Senegal and Tina, you win his son, as I say.
And Cabas and Kiabeti. We are in a global world now. At the end, of course, maybe I want it. I was supposed to want it.
And they say, I bet you for the.
You get it? And see, Sano man so here.
Okay.
When the team, I want to assume Jay, or be a plane of come on. Ya can see customer we or be a agitation beer. It helps with the focus.
Kofi,
Bremo
Kaka for my men, you Ghana Premier League, you know. After AFCON, near my yes, yeah, a good boy as a country now, as a continent, I mean African football.
I think that the very first thing I said call to the technical team of the Black Stars. Mehuze Utuado Etu Kwanyisha, some of the Black Stars players. I hope that there is a technical reconvening meeting with honoring the technical team about the trends across AFCON. Because trust you me, Gabi, every serious European team will watch the AFCON. Not just African countries that qualify by World Cup. Bomber shit all of the AFCON games.
You know, France
for I did I say
on Senegal.
U19 coach, you know. No, they are hennings.
Yeah. Bomber proper analysis of all the games.
America for so at the painful by say security systems are Morocco for you so you know monso hena monso famro.
Yeah. Me we say start fi park so technically everything that happened. Because even for regular analyst of the game, you watch a few games and you see patterns.
Okay.
Morocco send no ball group stage, yes, and no ball knockout stage, you know. Against the smaller teams, Morocco are not playing like that. It's in a sign.
Okay.
I think that's the very first thing that Otto and his technical team, and I'll be surprised if he doesn't do it because I know he's a meticulous person. Tactically, I saw Tono Boas and offshore matches. Or Paonchi chair matches, no the backroom staff, offshore match, over a presentation on this match. Ibana be in the presentation match, me share say, or no as a coach, so so that on only ideas and any panic can overlap. Because okay, Miss who say, oh, we are sure says Anna who ye. Maybe I convince me, maybe I must convince you. Then they have a base pair because that is BSW board also is based on the strength of the team and the weakness of the team. Then we marry that with your strength and your weakness now. Because truth be told, the Moroccan team, a team at any the experience part of the team, El Nesri, Krabi, what's his name? Centre backs, Amrabat, what's his name? Roman Saiz. All of these guys are old players. Yashin Bodo, they are not young. Maybe they did something that made them get the best out of our players. The Senegalese team are more younger. More a younger side, or more fresher boys, or more apart from Idrissa Gana Gueye, Sadio Mane, Khalid Koulibaly, Edouard Mendy, the core of the Senegalese team, you know, a fresh team that come from under 21s and all of the likes. Ibrahim Mbaye, who scored a lot of goals, Nicolas Jackson, a young, Ismail Sarr, Papi Mata Sarr, Papi Gay, 26 years. These are all players in their core. How did they marry that? Then what's the position of Yenye team in terms of age? Saying your team, you're a young team, and you share your age breakdown. We can look at it from their strength. You have a lot of strength with your attacking line, your wingers, no. And when your strength be brewo. So how do we approach certain games? Yeah, Kwakoba against Panama. Is that a game where we allow our attackers to unleash and play the game and kill the Panamerians? And I said it's a match where we play into a conservative match. How do we go into it? A very, very integral. So for me, that's the very first thing I think. Say, if the GF actually should even charge the technical team to do that if they've not done that already.
Okay.
Because they're very important. See, in a very, very top country, we are visionary. This AFCON, we would have taken younger coaches or my license B, license C to go to the AFCON. Find ways to get them into the CAF technical committee, you know. And let them, because every time CAF Bobo there's a technical committee.
Okay.
The last World Cup technical committee is still there. The last Europe technical committee is there. Usually I'm the one top coach. I think after the last Euros, it was Portugal for coach Roberto Martinez. No, Club World Cup technical committee. It was Portugal coach Roberto Martinez. And that is where they started speaking about the invention of the new inverted fullbacks. Now fullbacks no a regular jumo for overlapping. Number 10. We need to be able to go into things like this. It's more scientific. But at least for the coaching level, what should do. Almost everybody are already at the top 4 of the AFCON this year. Almost players young woman team.
Okay.
So you can take the Moroccan national team. Majority of them are from Netherlands, were born in Netherlands or Spain or France. In the northern part of France and then the coastal belt of Spain, mostly boys need to be brave, North Africans. So that's why when you go to Rennes, that side of France, and most of them are North Africans. And that is why they speak French. The Moroccans speak French, the Egyptians, same, the Algerians, most of them predominantly, apart from the Arabic, Omoka French.
Okay.
Most of them were born there. DBS yenye ba Ghana. You see, yenye boys ni yewu omo abrochiri cannot acclimatize and play for us. Mzoti ya mekana siya.
Meti ase ba.
You see, Inaki Williams intimi mbo because ya won Ghana.
Ya won Ghana.
Meanwhile, in the top 4 AFCON, Mamadou Sa ya won Senegal.
Etimi ka se twi ni kuro wante. Ntine bia language barrier ntino. So the anytime I say we have to analyze the situation. Mamadou Sa ya won Senegal. Until the local language of Senegal. But what's English? What's French, sorry. Obopo or Strasbourg. The FA have probably done a job of following Mamadou Sarr and getting him into the team, finding ways for him to settle. Khalid Koulibaly. People think that he was born in Senegal now, or was a normal African story of Obreye, Nokobo, Kosubo, Ebi Khalid Koulibaly Abrabum. He was in Sienne, in France. Or Nam France, or Nya French national team Kobebo. So he was not born in France. The Senegalese team, the Nigerian team. Almost the same comes on yeah, a chunk of them. Calvin Bassey, arguably, people say he's now one of the best centre backs with the African continent. And so, Juana, Alex Iwobi, name them. Almost Sheyi Ajayi, who plays for West Bromwich Albion. Sheyi Ajayi is a UK boy. Ola Inamba. But then a core of them are not Nigerian-born players. So these are 3 of even the semi-final. Then even the Moroccan, the Cameroonian team, same. The Algerian team, same. I'm not too sure about the Egyptian team, but a chunk of them are from there. That is a peculiar problem at Yenyewo. Okay. Where most of your boys that are born outside the country, Derek Con, Beba, Inaki Williams. Who else?
Semenyo.
Antoine Semenyo.
Jiku.
How do we learn from these people to get science? Because some are good players.
Yeah.
Nobody has
say they can marry
even outside of Kagabi, club side, why is Ziku playing well to the extent that Pep Air Tono? But Oba, we don't get Semenyo, we don't get the best out of Semenyo. Why is Derek Con playing well at Stuttgart? But Obeba is saying that for Obre. Why is it saying for the other players? How can we get them in?
So it means that you're something right.
So there's something that we can learn from that.
Okay.
I don't know who, whether it's a liaison officer or whoever. There's something we can learn.
Standards.
Yeah.
Any team in subculture. Last time, you knew Penny Abdul Faisal.
Yeah.
He designed Kumoya. No say. Why will Brahim Diaz find it difficult to get into the Moroccan team when all in life, from the Man City Academy to Real Madrid now, or training, or a spectacular training facility, war standard.
Yeah.
Say, free Real Madrid came, now Obedru Morocco, baby or training, or the Toto, in life, baby or training is the same.
It's the same, yeah. Yeah.
It's the same. Now they've invested in sports science. In the Sobano can say, me hire me ya. Treatment to Benyo or Real Madrid.
The same thing here,
the same thing.
Oh, okay.
The facility grade in Beko say, Ahana who pride over the sports science department now. And the same. And no man be a one kitty be a standard no. It's top. Now, as some of you, the last time we went for AFCON, Semenyo ba. Na obe your friend and obedu ya no. Obedu Accra. No so where are we camping for the AFCON? Almost and kaya de mu ko ebia say Dubai. But ye minister na say Ghana for do na say ye ko chiscantino. Ye fa mu ko Kumasi. Okay, ne Kumasi na he fa baba ya na say he. So baba ya na mo so mu nya nwie ntino.
Problem.
I said mo ko abrankese. Oh, nti afi also okay. Ni natna pem ne ba Kumasi. Ye ne ba Kumasi na ko da Lancaster. Oni problem. But opieso ko training na. Okoso baba ya ansa na inform so there be pitch ni nya ready. Nti afo mo for sebi mfutuo ni mu. You get a difference in the standards. How do you expect him to give you prime maximum performance? Said the Odema Bomotono for Ghana. When the situations are clearly different.
I think
when they complain about pitches, we trivialize it. Yeah. They are too emotional and they are not critical. How come maybe I'm up excuses? But how do you expect? Look at the pitches that they are playing on Morocco.
Yeah.
Proper 3D hybrid pitches.
Yeah.
So Ibrahim Diaz original no ball pass and also or 10 year.
The same no.
So why don't you expect him to
Ghana Premier League in Famami and Yeheni and Fire course on a kakra.